Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one. I hope you enjoy. So I picked up some items from Crafter Square. The first thing are these wood planks. You get 6 pieces in a pack, and I don't usually find these, so I was only able to find this one pack. They tend to sell out very quickly, but I was happy to find these, so I did pick these up. I came across the Crafter Square bamboo rings. There are 2 pieces per pack, and I picked up 2 packs. Then I came across the cutting boards, and I absolutely love these. They look like the faux wood, but they are the particle board, but there is a nice thickness to them. And I was really happy when I saw these. I picked up 4. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I was happy to see them, so I had to pick up a few. Next up, I picked up a few supplies and an item for my reborning channel, and here I picked up the baby shower favors. You get 40 in a pack, and they're just the little mini baby bottles. What I was on the lookout for were the little mini soothers, but I'm not able to find them. I've gone to 2 Dollar Tree so far, and those are the only ones that I have not found out of all the different items they have for the baby shower favors. I can find the larger ones, but not the little mini ones. So I am still on the lookout for those. I also came across these resin accents. They are by Forever in Time. They are the 3D resin accents. You get 6 pieces in a pack, and they are just plain white. So I am going to leave some white and then paint some up. And these will be for a DIY on my Dolly channel. And then I came across this, which I didn't even realize at first it was from the Friends Forever Club. I did do a video on the fashion dolls from the Friends Forever Club, and I will post the link in the description box below if you would like to check out that video. I was really impressed with the quality of the dolls. And then after picking this up, because I thought it would work for something I have in mind for my doll channel, I realized that it was actually from the Friends Forever Club, and it is a fashion doll closet. So I thought that was really neat. I hope they continue to bring out items for this Friends Forever Club. Here is a picture of what it looks like on the inside, but I'm actually going to open it up and show you so we can see for ourselves. One moment. Okay guys, so how adorable is this? Oh my goodness. So the doors that open, it's just a sticker on the inside, but it looks very cute. As you can see, it almost looks three-dimensional. But on the inside, there is a spot where you can actually place one of the dolls inside. So it can be like a little case to bring the doll and any accessories that you might have for her all in one place. It also has a bar where you can hang her clothes, and it comes with 3 little hangers, as you see, hung on the bar. And then there is some shelves to put shoes or purses or whatever accessories come with these dolls. I am so impressed with the Friends Forever Club dolls and accessories that come with them. This so far is I want to say it's the only accessory, but I think there was like a slide or something that I saw. I can't really remember now 100% if it was the Friends Forever Club, but I definitely hope that they do bring more items, because again, the quality of the dolls were very, very good. And I was actually surprised with how good they were. So it was a pleasant surprise. And then to also have this is really sweet, because if you get one for each of the dolls, then you have a little carrying case to bring them in as well. But I think that this is awesome. Let me know in the comment section below if you've seen other accessories from the Friends Forever Club from Dollar Tree. I would be so interested to know. And as I said, I hope they continue to bring more. Next up, I picked up some more of these photo frames, and these by far are probably one of my favorite that the Dollar Tree carries. It looks like a faux wood, and then on the inside there is this corrugated metal, and I think it looks super cute and definitely very farmhouse. So I actually picked up more than the 3 that I have here, but I just have these 3 out because they were closest to me. And hopefully very soon I will be doing a DIY with these. So if you're interested to see what I do with them, then please stay tuned. That should be coming up very soon. I then picked up a few of these LED hanging lamps. They are another favorite of mine that the Dollar Tree carries. They come in silver and gold. This one here I picked up in silver. I believe both of them that I picked up this time around were in silver, and I think these are super cute. And the last thing that I have to share with you, one is a seasonal item. Well, actually both are seasonal. One is for Easter spring, and it is this garland that has carrots on a jute twine rope, and I absolutely love these. I did pick up 2, but I went ahead and placed one on my fireplace with a garland that I picked up, and that garland I picked up, it was in my last Dollar Tree haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like when I put them together. Sometimes the simplest things make the prettiest decor, and I just love the mixture of this carrot garland with the greenery that I picked up both from Dollar Tree. And then I picked up quite a few of these garden stakes. These were a favorite of mine. I believe I picked some up last year as well, and I was going to use them for something. I didn't end up using them, and I ended up giving them to a cousin of mine because she wanted to use them in her garden. So I ended up finding some more this year, and I ended up picking up some more for myself. And these are super cute. They come on this metal stake, and let me show you. I just love the spout with the little holes, and then it's open on the inside, and I just think they are adorable. And that is my simple small haul for this week. I really hope that you saw some things, even though there weren't many things. Maybe you saw an item that you haven't seen at your Dollar Tree, and hopefully if you did, it will be arriving at your Dollar Tree very soon. Well guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now. I went ahead and added the other carrot garland to the pepper leaf garland from Dollar Tree just to show you how pretty it looks once it is all together. Super simple, super inexpensive, but really, really pretty. And just in case any of you are wondering, the DIY that is on top of the mantle is a DIY that I made using Dollar Tree items. I will also post the link to that video in the description box below if you care to see how I made that. There are actually 2 DIYs. The letters I made as well, but I did it so that every time you turn the block, it will spell out every season. So we have spring, summer, fall. Well, actually it spells autumn and spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So that is another DIY, and I'll also post that link. I actually took the blocks from that DIY and then just added it to this one, and I've kept it on here for the last few seasons actually because I love it so much. And then of course the two bunnies on each side are the Dollar Tree bunnies. So all this is Dollar Tree, and I think it looks super cute. I hope you do as well. Okay guys, take care. Bye-bye.